general.
And that's why you feel like all laws before 1965 should be deemed unconstitutional?
I said presumptively unconstitutional, which is a legal dodge. I'm trying to lawyer my way around that. But my fundamental premise is that before the 1965 Voting Rights Act, which I think is the most important piece of legislation ever passed in American history, this was functionally an apartheid country. Not everybody who lived here could vote here. Not everybody who lived here could participate in the government here. The majority of people who lived here, if you think about not just black people, but also Latinos and also women, couldn't actually participate in the government. What do you call that? We have a word for that. That word is apartheid. And so if you're now going to say that we passed some law before everybody had a say, before everybody had a vote, and that law should still be controlling today, I say, hell no, right? It's like Roy Breaker from Lock, Stock, right? If the milk's sour, I ain't the type of pussy to drink it, right? So if you're going to go all the way back before everybody had a vote, I'm saying that presumptively speaking, that law should mean nothing. Now, I'm not saying that you get rid of every single law passed before 1965. Some of them I quite like the 1964 Civil Rights Act. I think that was a good law. I also like the Sherman Antitrust Act. I like a lot of laws that were passed before 1965, but my argument is that if we like the law, we could pass it again. We could pass it again, this time asking everybody. And for that example, I didn't make that up myself, right? The example that I'm using here is what they did in South Africa, right? When South Africa got over apartheid, did they just go back to their Afrikaner racist constitution and be like, oh, we just need a couple of amendments. We just need a couple of changes here to make it work. No, they threw the whole thing out and started again, this time asking everybody. This time having a completely new delegation of all of the people of South Africa, not just the white folks, but not no white folks. And they came up with a new constitution